Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account an updated version. So let's open your Instagram account and then tap on your profile menu that you can see on the lower part or the bottom right corner of your phone. Then tap that three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of your phone and tap settings and privacy. And there, tap account center and you will be able to see this new updated version of deleting your account. So tap this personal details and then you'll be able to find account ownership and control. Now this is the same with Facebook. Now once you're in this page, tap deactivate or deletion. And before you start the process, tap on that profile that you wish to deactivate or delete. To continue, tap the profile that you wish to deactivate or delete. And you have two options here, whether to delete or to deactivate your account. If you wish to delete your account, tap delete and tap continue. And your account will be deleted permanently. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.